president.
I'm afraid my Yama will be at Maya Huakwaba. The Ghana's president and Arudan Kwakofuado, Eba Kachra Ghana for na. So we should say the VRCC call. Anyway, my Ghana, your 2022 budget, you throw out of the gear. And the Ghana is in crisis. And I pay here say the Qatar World Cup, yeah, Bababo on 24th of this month, no. It was here in Ghana for Kasa. And someone air coso, baby, I have draw, and baby, I have we can't afford. So at this time, a season like this, oh my Ghana, you better baby, no. The president of the republic by addressing Ghana for now. Now, we are catching Ghana for say Ghana, we are in crisis. Now, say Ghana was crisis at the year. And now we needed an action, immediate action. I bet me abua. Now, Ghana ni biya abo belt. Akurere hoso. If you say baby, you do no. Your budget anya juma. Yesika ye nyina anya juma. E come in Ghana. Baby, you do not to from Pio to Breme. Yentie Ghana mampeni.
Our reality is that our economy is in great difficulty. The budget drawn for the 2022 fiscal year, that is this year, has been thrown out of gear, disrupting our balance of payments and debt sustainability, and further exposing the structural weaknesses of our economy. We are in a crisis. I do not exaggerate when I say so. I cannot find an example in history when so many malevolent forces have come together at the same time. Our reality is that our economy is in great difficulty. The budget drawn for the 2022 fiscal year, that is this year, has been thrown out of gear, disrupting our balance of payments and debt sustainability, and further exposing the structural weaknesses of our economy. We are in a crisis. I do not exaggerate when I say so. I cannot find an example in history when so many malevolent forces have come together at the same time.
I started and I'm ending with this. Tell me why? Because I was talking to you as a Ghanaian. I'm not president. I can't tell Ghana say we are in crisis. Now, my suit, my we are now. This is the Ghana Blackstar. Puma, anyway, we are near Deco. Now, in 2010, I call Brazil. Ghana for better chroma, MES committee. Nina says, Sikaya could do our World Cup over 22 million US. We are saying this cargo play, and you call Brazil, and you call Wiem, and you sunny Sikagu form, and you did Brazil police. We are seeing now we became just a democracy, just saying a brand not Ghana. The year him at Africa, Eden de Maye. We have gotten to a point, and that 10 years, Obia, we are sports loving fun. Yania J. Sagana Yakwa Kodu World Cup. Now, me Aduma 24th. Ghana bought first match. But the question is, President said Ghana was crisis. Ye na ya moya boss wo. Se si amena wo kasai over 41 million US dollars. Se si amena wo kasai. The last time the finance minister Akoma Mrasebedwam was Ghana for sika ya bobodi ato ho ye ba bedie ye di kan abo qualifiers any are there about 8 matches you are spending more than 8 million US dollars afeti me World Cup no qualification ya qualify no se si amena wo kasai the qualification stage GFA ye nya 1.5 million US dollars omo di aba se scan ye di awie ye kaka omutira bom se wo monko the Parliament of Ghana no monko kanchire no Ghana is spending over 8 10 year pa ye 500 every Ghana agu kam play mu e di akwa kodu Qatar obia yes ka 7,500 US dollars and yet I'm the Amagan and Ibia Woko.
It is Picasso.
Ghana players, technical team, $100,000 as appearance fee, and Yadima will be
Picasso.
We are getting not less than 26 players in the enemy womo. And some a technical team more than 18. 21 technical team, 26, 21 management 6. Not just okay, we are getting almost 8 Ghana at the time I will be a esu. But I don't pay Ming Habi who question back one Bibisa Ghana. The now the Danko Akufo-Addo, the president, they say. At the time when the country is in crisis, everybody, everybody the belt so you turn yama yantono. You Qatar 500 supporters, $7,000. You tam the ama will be a Ghana. Ade. You quantify Ghana so you tap dollars no near the ako. At the time when you to chrome you can say zongo any abochi ama ye dollar na say no.
It is Picasso.
We are rushing and looking for dollars. And they are my players. Abroad, the love of the country, president, you can sit down with them. That said the president. Nesa sunti. Oma mema mesremo. Mama yama mo Ghana ska. Ghana ska na yadi ama mo no. November Sports Minister Yusuf Mustafa Akoma on the floor of Parliament and a budget what they about 14.1 million budget and as a CRD Parliament any BBR parliamentarians NDC MPP yeah Obian Kahohe. The sports minister ordered a budget to for Munti.
Revenue generation and expected expenditure for Qatar 2022 World Cup. Mr. Speaker, having qualified for the tournament, the FA received $1.5 million from FIFA staff preparation, and this amount was useful to the team friendly matches to improve tournament, covering 3 games against Portugal, Uruguay, and South Korea. Our group stage appearance will cost us as a nation an estimated amount of $8,166,200 United States dollars.
$9 million. No one spending $8.1 million. Observe why they did job kawo kruma. Ghana nkwa ni yabobo. We kwari ya de anu aka ya wo ha ye ko Brazil 2010. Ya de anu kan ni say ya ko ya di manabro. Ya ko chiri edwom Brazil 2014 ya kwa chiri ba bi edwom ewo ya kwa $20,000. Brazil ya kwa je 9 million US. They are spending $8.2 million. Yaboka, Mr. President. Now no one just see media be brave way. Waje one country answer womo. I'm woman who said Ghana is in crisis. A nipa 500. Obia kwa kotua $7,500. And ya de kwa koma. Mekai se South Africa. Ya de Ghana for go play mu. High plane. See her. This is the same mistake we are making. Situation being who Abba Ghana. Now, or mine to me, who said Debbie. Or mine baby, I don't know. Say, Nipa 500, Qatar, you Ghana for what Dubai, you Ghana for what Saudi Arabia. No matter the idea, we can even coordinate them. No matter better studio, a stadium at Ghana for BLACKSTARS. Dollars. For the whole tournament, almost somebody say, or mine, baby, I don't know. I told you from Pierre to be They are thinking of their country.
It is Picasso.
This is leadership. Yet you come and you catch John Dramani Mahama. And the Prof. Mason say they should cut their code according to themselves. No more being Ghana. And now the Danko Akufo-Addo. At the time when Ghana is in crisis.
I can only say shine, shine the Black Stars of Ghana. They should shine to make Ghana proud. They have the nation behind them. We would need to mobilize additional resources to support them I should also join him, Mr. Speaker, in commending corporate Ghana. Understandably, I read that MTN is doling out some $2 million US. Goyal is reported to have committed $200,000 US, and I'm sure many other corporate entities will support them. Mr. Speaker, I still maintain my position that along the line, we probably, within the context of corporate social responsibility, will have to legislate so that corporate entities can do more for our country, do more for sports, and in particular soccer, and maybe dedicate a certain percentage of their profit to support football generally. Mr. Speaker, undoubtedly football remains the best uniter of our country. I mean, if there is any activity which unites this country and keeps us together, it's football, particularly the Black Stars of Ghana. What I didn't hear more from the minister is what is it that you are doing to support our supporters to be in Qatar? Because when you mention culture, our culture is better demonstrated sometimes by the Jama group. Because don't forget, your crew of technical men and footballers will be displaying football. Those who would share who we are, what we are, and what we stand for, probably may be the supporters who would be accompanying.
Yeah, Qatar. Oh, how do they do so? Any abre or team? Enti ne ma ne sports ni team no. Whatever they are, ombenya slot, young pussy. There's nothing wrong. Say ya boy Ghana, yes sports because that is the only thing I can Ghana for boom. But I no pay. Say Cameroon spending $7 million US. Senegal spending less than what Ghana is spending. Countries are who do what Africa, US 2014. At the time when US was spending $2 million US, no, now Ghana is spending $22 million US on my adding. I no pay. Me de video bako eto me a TikTok page Kofi Asante .eduanaba. Somebody say, is this true? True, Mr. President. I no pay the Ghana for person be saying say. So where is the crisis? Actions more than $14 million US. We crowning your budget, ye now spending you, ye kwa kudiaba, ye ba, ni ababe jiska. Tiebe wie no. Na ya said the Brazil, ye diska egu play mu. Ghana ni bia nya opportunity a opesu obu oman no. Mr. President, anopay the ye can say. Ghana do baby a Eden. One kasa wo se oman no in crisis. Ye toy and to drivers esu fuel ye timi to everything police for car na do pay na ye nyina ya kan police fuel edu gu omo ka mu budget ayesese de ma omo enra district assembly assembly mpanimfo DCs ni MMDC say omo pack omo official vehicles because fuel allocation ye de ma omo 2 years ago 1 month ago about 6 months ago no baby a full board no and so baby where can we allocate a better and appropriate resources, Mr. President? Ni enya value for money. Or say Chairman Sabonsu on the floor of Parliament. Also, oh my Ghana, baby adrono ye nyina yamwa na yampushi at the time when the Minister for Sports eba and also Blasters no monkora mko wini na rated the current economic crisis I nemu na baby Ghana adro ni de Blaster anko na bit magye.
The teams that we played, Uruguay and Portugal, their established players have climbed over the hill and they are in sharp descent. Our players now are budding stars, much younger players who should have sufficient stamina to withstand the play of the Ronaldos. And I'm very hopeful that if we gel together, we should be able to conquer both Portugal and Uruguay. So, Mr. Speaker, I'm hopeful. Let's all unite behind the team, the players, and the technical people. And I believe that at the end of the day, the country, we all admit, is not in the best of shapes. However, if the Black Stars are able to deliver and perform well, they will bring excitement. We can't say more with this.
Ghana yani ayasa sinio. Say it mean can't trade the players and players at 26 years now. Only one of them and a local player. Only one and a local player. Rest of the boys in are Ghanaians in diaspora. One player, one and a local player, which is out of folk. A 3 year ban here. The question I no pay ye beside Mr. President. The patriotism. Meaning I Rollins time guy for Ghana Blaster come by kente ni edema womo and ye de Ghana flag egu wom kom. That was the joy. Because players now who say president tete aninam esoro ati wiem dware koba sikai womu buso ministers yi ente so enti yenya the moral courage to tell them say massa baby adu no me president kra masi form enti muma ye nyina ye nsi form. This is what we need as a president. Sabre we na na dan kwakofo do president say Ghana Blaster preparation economy bia say basi first can be kra nka ho a he's ready to do that. And this is the president I will be on national television catcher say Ghana is in crisis.
And the rest of us, we do our best to support them with everything that we can. The minister has been here to speak to me about the financial and other responsibilities that we have. We're going to do our best to make sure that the players are put in the best possible position to go ahead to carry the flag in Ghana. Qatar's an unusual choice. No World Cup has ever been played in that part of the world before. There's a fair.
Nana, Profi say ya, no wa hwe go sam. The Ghana for epesi tie as a president and say Ghana for baby aduro no. Ye sika sam ayeden yan kan sam yan ko World Cup. But we can have a better budget. Adena Cameroon timi de $7 million. And the World Cup. Na yan ye we are spending not less than 14 to 16 million US. And in fact, when you cry just the preliminaries, be did more than 40 to 41 million US. We are near Kwakoje, Yakopa Bosnia, IMF, 3 billion US. Now projected. Minister Nankasa, where was the budget no ground for my or call Marashibe Jobete for any be a mammy. First stage, Ghana, you qualify 1.5 million. Ya diamaye. Says Canada da pass ye dear we. Ye dear ya no. Ya sure ni Musa we get another one and also say Gusudi. Where are we going? Mr. President, Senegal 92. Ghana TMJ, the only World Cup, African Cup, the Bible see ye need be. Not even Kuraba, not even Bonsuya. We want to tell you, Mr. President, say bredu so be take that leadership responsibility. No catch say, I am reducing my cost into Ghana for obi reducing it there. What take what cost was say? Obi anto aba emfama sports minister. Aye won another dan kwakofado and ya to aba de ama wo. Until you talk sense to players na ye nyina that keka say Ghana ni ye nya odo e de ama ye man no. Now as a leader what show by example wakati ministers wakati expenditure ni ade this one e be koso America Ghana e be koso asu